Good morning, Christmas tree, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. So every Saturday I watch this TV show. It's my favorite thing ever, and I watch it every 7 a.m. So going to watch it now. Guess who came to visit again? Hi. Hi. Hello. As you can tell, I'm in my bedroom now. It is pretty dark in here. I do have my lights on in the back, and I have my iPad in front of me to light me up a little bit. But I'm going to finish watching a few more Vlogmases, and then I'm going to call it a night and go to bed. So I'll see you when I wake up. Hello, I am up now. I'm here in the living room. I'm preparing dinner. I'm actually in my dad's spot. Usually I'm on the couch or on the mattress on the floor, but I'm sitting in my dad's spot right now because I'm cutting up some potatoes and I wanted to do it in front of the TV. So we have like a little coffee table, so that's where I'm chopping the potatoes. I'll show you in a minute. We're gonna make homemade french fries and then some homemade chicken fillets. I got that thawed out in the freezer. So yeah, I thought we'd cook together today, and I'll show you like the potato setup I have down here now. I'm cutting up potatoes while watching music videos on my TV. Look, it's Zane. So that's what I am up to. I'm obsessed with this music video. I'm obsessed with Harry Styles at the moment. I love that I discovered the music video channel or the Vivo channel on my TV. So I've been watching that for the past, I don't know, half hour and stuff. And I recently got into listening to Harry Styles again. I mean, I listened to him back when he was in One Direction and stuff. But like, I've gotten into his solo music, and I've stumbled upon more of it because of TikTok. Like my For You page is full of like Harry Styles, Niall Horan, One Direction. I have no idea how I got onto that TikTok, but I've been like watching their past videos and stuff. So yeah, that was fun to watch. And now it's Shawn Mendes Wonder. I think I listened to it once before when I put it on this channel, but yeah, that is what I'm up to. I'm procrastinating because my dad is taking a shower, so he has to help me with the chicken because I don't like touching raw chicken. So that's why I'm out here just watching music videos and reacting to them myself. So yeah, that is what I'm up to. My dad's chair is pretty comfortable too. So yeah, that is what I am doing, and I'll talk to you again when we start cooking the food finally. Here are the potatoes cooking in our deep frying machine. So those are looking pretty good. Then here's the chicken. We're gonna put flour and some seasoning on it. I'm gonna make some corn as well, so I'm just gonna pop it into the microwave. So the first batch of fries are done. I just sprinkled some garlic salt on it, and we're putting flour on the chicken. So we put the chicken in there, so we're gonna let that cook up. Done. And then you're gonna refry yours to be a little bit more colored.
Ouch.
Oops, careful.
Got my hand way back here.
I know it does that sometimes. So here is my dad's dinner, and then here is mine. I have corn in the bowl. So yeah, let's go out into the living room. So here's how mine turned out. I think I'm going to save some of it for tomorrow. Some corn, and then I made green Kool-Aid last night, so I'm gonna have that with dinner. And I also have some water too, and I'm watching Bones on TV. I don't recommend watching Bones because of the dead bodies, but I've gotten kind of used to watching it while eating. So yeah, so that is dinner. Yay, good fries.
You did a good job, huh?
Let's try the chicken. It's cooked. You seasoned it good.
Did I?
Yeah, pretty good. I'm in my room. I'm talking to my aunt on the phone. She's busy doing something, so thought I would come in here and let you know what I'm up to. Pretty boring day. Yeah. Yeah. Say bye to Vlogmas. You'll be in it tomorrow. Bye. I can vlog again. There was like a speck on the camera and my dad opened the lens up and it fixed it. I thought I would have like a spot in all of Vlogmas. So it's fixed now. I guess you're supposed to clean the inside of it. So yeah, you don't have the speck in right here anymore. I don't know. I was using this to cook earlier. Maybe I don't know, but it's fixed now. I thought we were gonna have a problem. This has been my Vlogmas camera since 2017. I vlogged on this particular camera. I know I have to update soon, but yay!
3 years only?
Yeah, I think it's going to be 4 years in April. I got this for like my birthday in 2017, so it will be 4 years old. So yeah, let's go into the bedroom and do advent calendar time. Let's go, Daddy. It's day 5 of advent calendar time. So day 5 is right here. We're gonna open it up. I should do it like this. It's harder for me to do it like this, but okay.
Oh, it's a rabbit.
Oh, what is it? No.
Bunny.
Snowman? No, it's a gift of presents.
It's what?
It's a sack, Santa's sack.
Oh, yeah. Crazy.
It's Santa's sack. Yay! So that is it for day 5 of our advent calendar. We're gonna have popcorn as our snack for the evening, and we might have some candy too. I love putting this stuff on there, if it will focus up. There, this butter, salt, whatever. We put it on the popcorn to make it extra good. Oopsies. So here is my popcorn. I have some water, some grape Kool-Aid from earlier, the salt I was talking about, my strawberry roll, and then my dad opened up the USB hub that we got a few days ago, and I just imported the footage to do Vlogmas day 5. So yeah, I'm gonna edit what you just watched right now, so that's going to be fun. Also watching Bones on TV, because what else is there to watch? So yep, that is my evening sorted. I'm going to end my vlog here. I'm just going to edit the footage that you just watched and pretty much call it an evening. So it wasn't quite an exciting day. We just cooked and I showed my TV a lot. That's it. But I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas day 5. I'll see you again for Vlogmas day 6. So please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 6. Good night, Christmas tree.